Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. PyTorch Lightning is a high-level wrapper for PyTorch that helps you organize your code and streamline the training process. It abstracts away much of the boilerplate code while still allowing you to leverage the full power of PyTorch. This tutorial will cover the basic concepts of PyTorch Lightning, including how to set up a simple model, data loading, training, and evaluation. Installation. First, make sure you have PyTorch and PyTorch Lightning installed. You can install them using pip. Basic structure. A typical PyTorch Lightning project consists of the following components. 1 Lightning module, this is where you define your model architecture and training logic. 2 Datamodule, this is where you define your data loading logic. 3 Trainer, this is the component that handles the training loop. Step 1, define the Lightning module. Here's how to create a simple neural network for classifying the NIST dataset. Step 2, define the data module. Next, we need to define how to load the NIST dataset. Step 3, train the model. Now that we have our model and data loading logic defined, we can set up the trainer and start training. Step 4, evaluation. You can evaluate the model after training using the test method of the trainer. Summary. In this tutorial, we covered the basics of using PyTorch Lightning, including how to define a model using Lightning module, load data using Lightning data module, train and evaluate the model using the trainer. PyTorch Lightning simplifies the training process and makes your code cleaner and more modular. You can easily extend this example by adding features like logging, checkpointing, and more advanced training techniques. Resources. PyTorch Lightning documentation, https://pytorch-lightning.readthedocs.io/n/stable. PyTorch documentation, https://pytorch.org/docs/stable/index.html. Feel free to modify the example to suit your needs, and happy coding.